Bros and hams, bros, brohams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bed Wars. Okay, yesterday I put out a community post and I said, guys, give me some video ideas, okay? I need to do some serious CPR on this channel, okay? I need to like become a lifeguard, you know? Do some CPR because this channel's drowning. It's hard, okay? It's like almost dead, okay? It's like 98% dead. Alright, so I need some video ideas. I need to revive this channel. So the first comment said drink vegetable oil. So guys, if I die in Bed Wars, I have to drink vegetable oil. That's the video. Okay guys, yeah. This sounds like a good idea. Well, let's get into the game. Alright, so we're gonna try this challenge. I mean, I don't want to die, because then I'll have to drink vegetable oil. I don't really want to drink vegetable oil. I looked it up. I was like, is vegetable oil good for you? Then I was like, it is good for you. And then I was like, can I just drink vegetable oil? And it was like, no, don't do that. So it would like clog my arteries. I don't really want to have clogged arteries. It was like, if you drink that, it's too much cholesterol and your body can't handle it. It'll shut down. You will die. So, I'm not really trying to die here. Like, I mean, like, both ways. Like, I die in the game, I die in real life. That's basically how this is. But, yeah. So, let's hope I just get through this whole game without dying. White's over there, man. Am I able to do this? There we go. That's a kill. Nah, I gotta run away now. I mean, I would go in there for the kill, but I really don't want to die, you know? Pink's coming. Pink, you got a final kill him, man. Pink, go in, Pink, go in, Pink. I'll turn my back around. Bro, I'm out of here, man. Pink, go in, man. Pink, go in. Pink, do it. Fight. You going in, you going in? Okay, man, I got this right here. Bro, what? Okay, you guys can't go for me, bro. White still has 24 health. Guys. Pink did nothing. That's not cool, man. I'm out of here, guys. That guy has more health than me. Probably has a stone sword by now. I can't be dealing with that. Don't even know if this is a possible jump. I think that was a 4-block jump and I made it. Technically, I don't even need a bed because if I die, it doesn't even matter. But I'd like to have that kind of reassurance, you know. If I'm a final kill, then people would probably just go for me. Don't really want that to happen. Oh, I killed White somehow. I'll take that as a win. Alright guys, I have some decent stuff now. I really would not like to die now. Because like, that would be pretty bad if I just died. Except, yeah, you guys know why I don't want to die. Alright guys, the only team left is me and Red now. I don't know where Red is though. Probably gonna come to my base. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, he did, yep. He's there. It's not too worrying though, because like, I didn't need that anyway. Alright, I need to get his bed's right here. But it's like fatigued. Alright. We're doing good so far. Okay, we're doing good. How much health does he have? 15? Oh, come on, this could be it. This could be it. No. Oh, I won. Let's go. Not even close. Not even close at all. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Fortunately, I did not die, so I don't have to drink vegetable oil and then actually die in real life. So that's a good thing. Yeah. But I hope you guys liked the video. It is pretty short because I don't want to do another game, because then if I die, I'm actually gonna die in real life. So I don't want to do that. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, you know. Do that for the YouTube algorithm. Yep. That was a nice burp for the end. Alright guys, and as always, I will catch you on the flip side.